Hi Blue Spellers, this week we are working on the long E vowel sound. So long E vowel sound can have a spelling pattern E-E or a spelling pattern E-A. So if I look at the spelling pattern E-E, looking at free, I'm free to go do my job that I need to do. Sheep, I heard some sheep. Teeth, I have all of my adult teeth now. Sneeze, when you sneeze, you need to cover up your sneeze. Sneeze. Wheel, this is like I'm driving and my hands are on the wheel at all times. Okay, so one E vowel sound can also be spelled with the spelling pattern EA. So please, will you please help me? Beach. Oh, wouldn't it be nice to go walk on the beach now? Teach. I love this word. I love that I get to teach you every day. Team. My basketball team won the game. Team. Meaning. Spelling pattern is EA. Like makes that long E vowel sound. E does the talking and A does the walking. You don't hear the A. Weave. Let's say it's very crowded and you have to weave through the crowd. And speak. It's my turn to speak, and it's important to take turns so we know who is speaking.